So everything is starting from taking a picture and posting it, and then everyone is asking, hey, what's happening?
It's bleeding pain when you stop. It's bleeding pain when you stop. Every beat increases my happiness. Every beat increases my happiness. With every step I take, the sound I hear.
Sure, abanane, yeah, igama la Mumbuso, wasithole, igama le business, it's LEUSO'S Midnight Kitchen, it's a mobile bar, Hlala Light Lane, extension 22, originally from Soweto. Yeah, I do have other businesses, it's Scholar Transport, Yolena, and then I do events as well, hosting events and mobile bars, my events, as you know. You know, there are a lot of challenges that we face now. One, it's landlords. Once they see business, it's booming, they will come, they will increase money rent constantly. So that's the only challenge that I've been meeting. Otherwise, so far so good. And then, the inflation, prices of materials, that's Spanish side, it's too high. It's too high. Yeah, we know with experience, with experience, like you get used to it, you get used to the pressure, and then you get used to preparing it when they come. So you release a order. Yeah, then it makes it easy because it's stuff, man. Stuff is a challenge. Stuff, I need to deliver the quality, but it's just for the sake of getting paid. So it's better when you are on board. People will complain, hey, I was at your shop, I'm not happy, and things like that.
Your life, go get your life, go get your life, go get your life.
So I started today. I took a picture of alcohol that I had in my fridge, and then people were interested. Where did you buy alcohol? I told them, no, this is the alcohol I had from before lockdown. I had to send me. I know, come. And then everyone was coming, and then I saw good normal. Let me start stocking up alcohol and selling to people. And then that's how it started. And then Kota, as a Kota shop, they were closed. I took a picture, I posted it. People were asking me, where did you buy it? I made this at home. You are lying. I want that God, I'm coming. I never went to any Kota school or any Kota shop. I've never worked at a Kota shop or anything of that nature. So everything is starting from taking a picture and posting it, and then everyone is asking, hey, what's happening? Then I started delivering alcohol. Now my Kota, people will come and say, but make me that Kota, I'm coming. That's where I saw good, man, maybe I have a gift in this. And then the rest was working with people is not easy, that's one thing for sure. And they always have expectations, especially when they have been referred. They'll tell you, hey, someone told me when I do the first quarters. So you know, once someone says that, the pressure is on. So you must deliver what they promised. Someone was saying, I drove all the way from Israel just to taste your quarter. So you must deliver, but if you don't do that, then it's one of the things that gets me going. And then once people tell you, your food is unique. I've tasted Amakota, but your quarter is something about your quarter. Like everything, even my mixed grill, someone will tell you, no fun. It's as if when you went to school for this. No, it's something just saying kitchen. That's why it has midnight kitchen, because people would order at midnight. We are craving your food. Then I say, no, we are closed. We want things like that. And then patience, consistency, and you must be able to save and join stock fails. stockfels they help, especially if they are weekly stockfels, they help for your fast growth. Are you? I'm open Monday to Sunday. Monday to Sunday, no day off. Yeah. Even now it's Christmas, I'm open. No holidays. Yeah. Yeah, not a problem.
Looking back on my life, I've never found peace. I've never found love.